family, and it's New Year's Eve. I got a gift for Christmas from my wonderful wife Linda, and I thought I'd share it with you. Now, this year, pretty much this had been my camera for the majority of all the videos that I've made this year. I used my DSLR sometimes, but this is the majority of video work was done. It's a GoPro Hero 5, so it's a few years technology wise, and for Christmas I got a DJI Pocket 2. Now this doesn't necessarily replace this completely, because the GoPro is definitely a good action camera. It's also waterproof, so there's definitely some scenarios where I'll still be using the GoPro. But I'm very much looking forward to this. So let's open it up and take a look at it. Now this is what's called the Creator Combo. The camera itself will run you about $349, and the Creator Combo is about $150 more, $499. And let's see what it comes with. So the first item here is it's the actual camera. So it comes in it with a carrying case. It's very, well, here you have an idea for size. Right? Very light. All right. We also have on some videos that I've watched about this, to try to get an idea of how good it is and whether it was worth getting. And they call this the dead cat, but it looks like it's a windscreen for the microphone. And this is a little joystick adapter for the camera. This is a lot heavier than I thought it was. And this is a wide angle lens, so you get a wider field of view for the camera. What else is in here? It's like its own Christmas present over and over. It has a little USB adapter here. Well, not this is a lightning, but it's so that you can connect the camera directly to your phone, and then you can use your phone as the display of what you are videoing. Same thing here, but a USB-C adapter instead of a lightning adapter. A lanyard so you don't drop it. And then the charging cable. Looks like it's a dual here, so you could potentially be charging your phone and the camera at the same time. What else is in here? And this is just the regular, just your user's guide and so forth. And this is the, it's kind of like an extender to the camera. It enables Wi-Fi connection, as well as it has a tripod mount and a microphone jack. Now it comes with a wireless microphone, so you don't have to necessarily be in the same location or holding the camera and still be able to get audio. And it looks like with the dual cable here, you'd be able to charge up the microphone and the camera at the same time. And this little dead cat, they call it, just sits right on top to give it protection from the wind. Let's see. And if I guess if I don't want to use this particular piece, then there's another separate piece that has also a tripod mount there. It just doesn't have all the Wi-Fi connections and so forth, microphone jack that this piece has. And then finally, it comes with this little guy here, which is a stand. So if you have, I'll go ahead and attach this here. Figure out how to be brand new, don't even know how to use it here. So my understanding, take that cover off, and then I can easily use either just the standard tripod or the Wi-Fi link. And there you go. So it kind of has its own ability to have a platform of its own. It's kind of a little short, but it gives you some extra flexibility of how you want to utilize the camera. Put this guy back on here for right now. Right, and then the nice thing that they have with this is that it has a place for the lens. Like that. It also has a place for each of the adapters, and then it also has the camera itself, which it's open on the bottom, so if you're having the extended, let's call it the do-it-all extension, or the standard one, it's open so it can extend beyond that. It also has the place that you can store the microphone, and if you want your little fuzzy thing there, I guess. The other thing that's nice is that this Wi-Fi package for the microphone actually has a input for a lavalier microphone or external mic. So instead of flipping this, where you have this, maybe even this big fuzzy thing on your shirt, you can actually use a smaller microphone and plug it in here, and it will still connect to the Pocket 2. Now, that is what comes with the Pocket 2, DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. And as I mentioned, you can get a good idea size-wise with, here's a GoPro Hero 5 and the Pocket 2, and there you have it. So I'm going to get this thing charged up, and we will take it for a ride today and let you see how it works. So until next time, I hope everyone had a wonderful as you could of 2020, and I hope everyone has a very healthy and prosperous 2021. But just remember, through it all, we made it this far, and into 2021, just stay safe, keep smiling, and be happy.